Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going down to XRP once again. Thank you for support, okay? Big of the CoinsKid crew. So if you're not already involved in the private Discord, definitely do get involved in that, okay? And get involved in the community right there. I'm going to start posting a lot of trade setups in there, long, short, whatever. There's loads of setups on a daily basis. Price compression leads to expansion. You know, we've opened a few shorts over the weekend. We've opened a few longs as well. I'm going to show you, you know, in a deeper sort of series of videos on how to trade on a daily basis using the MACD, the EMAs, and obviously price compression if you can identify it as well, and obviously where to apply stop loss. So I'm going to start posting a lot of content in the private Discord right there, so definitely get involved and take advantage of that amazing community right there. The links are in each and every single video description. Let's dive into the XRP chart right now and see what we can see, okay? So looking at XRP on a weekly time frame then, at the moment, you know, the stance is towards the fact that this is a bottom, basically. That's a bottom. And what we have got on the grand scheme of things, if you start to zoom out for XRP, I know it's really frustrating and really annoying, you know, I do apologise, but we try and ride the waves together. In my opinion, what we've got here is a massive impulsive move, okay? And then we've been in a huge corrective move, which is probably some kind of truncation just there, and then we're looking at a huge wave 3, you know, and at the minute, we're sort of on the cusp of it, and this is a wave 1, which is coming up, which is subsets of waves within the big wave 3, you know, so and then we come back into 4, 5, so on and so forth, you know, and that's a massive impulsive move which began from 2020, huge wave 1, corrective wave 2, huge wave 3, corrective wave 4, corrective wave 5, so on and so forth, okay, to new highs basically. So this wave 3 is going to have the power within it, the subsets of waves within this wave 3 is going to have the power to come up and take out that high, with the possibility to break the all-time high as well for XRP within the wave 3, because that's what usually you see, okay? So what we're looking for is just a structure of 5 waves coming up off the bottom, followed by 3 waves, so on and so forth, and it's the same structure what we got here, okay? So let me go through this with you. So what I'm looking at right now is simply that this is a wave 4 correction that's not necessarily complete, and we're looking for it to be completed, and tell us it's completed by taking out this wave 3 high, okay? So the minute we start to see XRP take out that high at 0.5850, I think we've got confirmation that this correction is in. You know, it's the same scenario that I was talking about in this correction. I said to you, I think that this is opportunity. I'm telling you right now, I think that this is opportunity. And again, nothing I say is financial advice, but these pullbacks are for buying, not necessarily for crying. I think we found a true bottom here for XRP, in the sense that we've got is an A, a B, and a C. Like that, okay? We've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is some kind of truncation for XRP. And again, I could be completely wrong, and the analysis of being wrong is if we start to lose this, and we start to lose a green trend line, and we start to lose this low, which is a wave 2 correction basically, your bull market structure support off this bottom. If we lose that, then yeah, my analysis is wrong, and I hold my hands up, okay? And we're looking at another thrust to the downside and a deeper correction to where we came from, because at the moment what you've got to realize is that XRP, this low here and this low is still a higher low, okay? Even though it's frustrating, annoying, what you've done, you put in a high, it's a high low, and what you're looking to do is come upstairs and make another higher high, taking out that high, okay, in a big monster wave 3, because this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a 3. So, you know, if we want to zoom out even more, we can say, okay, well, what XRP's done in this correction has basically been in some kind of flag pattern like this, which is synonymous with corrections. You've basically broken out, you come back in some kind of zigzag flag, and right now you come back upstairs. Really simple. You broke out, back to see you later. So it's a possibility that XRP is really bullish, and this is why this low here never lost this low, because, and it was some kind of truncation, because the sheer buying pressure that's building up for XRP right here, okay? So again, nothing I say is financial advice, but what we're looking to do is come up in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, break that high, confirms the bottom, and then you got a massive wave up there, okay? And I know at this point as well, if we do start to come up, everyone's going to get super bullish, but it's technical analysis. I think we'll run into a kilo resistance, and then we'll come back in at ABC, okay? And it's exactly what we did here. We've got the 1, we've got 2, we've got the 3, consolidation 4, 5, and then boom, we broke into the 1618, okay? So again, not bullshit, not opium, simple technical analysis from the low to the previous high, 1618 like an absolute boss, ABC correction back down to the neckline of this huge inverse head and shoulders pattern, broke out to 1618, ABC back down to the neckline, ran a little bit deeper because of the SEC case, and then it bolted again in another 1618 target, which we met like an absolute boss. And this is at the point which, you know, this level of consolidation here, I was calling for 197 because it was the 1618 target. Look at that, okay, like an absolute boss. Let me get that knob on for you. Look at that 197 on the absolute dollar and cent just there. It was on the thumbnails. At that point, that was a sweet spot to sell and go short, whatever, because I was looking at ABC correction, just like this impulsive massive move, ABC correction back down to the neckline. I was looking for an ABC correction back down to this neckline of the God candle. And I remember at the time, no one believed me and said, you know, bullshit, XRP's going to $10 and things like that. But we did get that correction, came back down. But at this point, my analysis turned a corner because I was looking at the ABC coming back in and then continuation. It turned a corner because what we did, we come up, made a lower high, and then we compressed, boom, to the downside. We've got a big descending triangle, haven't we? Series of lower highs, basically. And what we've done, something I didn't envision, to be honest with you, is a huge one, corrective 2, followed by 3. Okay, I didn't think it would play out like that. I thought what we got, because of usual, you know, the cycles of Bitcoin and crypto, we was looking at impulsive wave, corrective wave, and then boom, the blow off top, the huge move right there. And I got it completely wrong. I hold my hands up. But so far so good. You know, we're riding these waves up and down, and my analysis to new highs for XRP has not changed because you've not lost the low from which you've come. So we're looking at impulsive, corrective, impulsive, okay, providing you can retain all this structure and these lows and the, you know, the invalidation points which I show you on a daily basis, and we can see XRP take out that high. For me, you confirm you got your 5 waves up, and that really is that simple. So again, it's something you could wait for, it's something you could just be patient for. Like I've always said to you, patience is key with XRP. But the minute we take out that high just there at 0.58 that we're putting in March, boom, we confirm at the bottom. So at the moment for XRP, you know, we are building a base on the weekly 20. There's a possibility of some kind of flat correction there, consolidation, ascending triangle, then we go. But obviously there's always a possibility that we've got some kind of ABC zigzag here. So if we do pull that back down to that green trend line, I think it's an opportunity, just like this was an opportunity. The minute we lose this 0.3483 without breaking that, it flips from bull to bear. Really is that simple, okay? So you understand the update. At the minute, I'm buying, I'm stuck in XRP. Doesn't make me a perm bull, whatever. You know, I just think XRP is looking pretty tasty. And it really is that simple until it's not. Take care, everyone. Back to a new update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye-bye.